Okay. The flow echo, grab a whole echo. Clips of 99 taught me to get dodo. Club bitches strange, dressing like De Niro. Suit and tie, color caviar, straight mayo. Birds dance more when the coupe fully paid for. Choices in the club connect life like a nano. Better answer wisely, little young nigga. When drug dealers and chain smokers will only feel ya. When baby mamas have 4 kids and won't tell ya. Daddy locked up or dead or couldn't stand ya. Where's mama now? I don't know, she never called. I'm locked in with cereal boxes and Benadryl. And fuck niggas straight raw, I can hit it all. Pistol draw when I roll, I get involved. Can't control my temper, I lost it all. In the club when I got on the fight, yo near the ball, nigga.
911, where's your emergency? I'm trying to break into my house right now. He's like busting through the window.
It be the death club, nigga.
Okay, and the weapon involved you mentioned? He's busting into my window. I understand that. Does he have a weapon? I don't know. I'm not going to access to weapons. I guess probably.
Well, my, how time flies. Food faces on, I'm hungry for some pie. Something white nigga or maybe something not. I mock him to the pussy and X marks the spot. Delivery boy, got cocaine in the spot. In the back of the club is where the pretty girls get popped. Wait up now, ain't it funny? How little money turn your little hoes into crash dummies. Offer a bottle now, or maybe 2. Pigeons leave the nest when the money comes through. While niggas turn violent, cause the coke price blue. Revelation, little nigga, this the gospel. I'm Hell's Angel, little nigga, you apostle. I annihilate niggas that will cost you. Fuck niggas talking, beef is all buried. Gun to my hand like Rambo, I will carry. Fuck niggas. It be the death club, nigga.
Can you go into a round?
Death club, nigga.
Okay, can you go into the round?
Be the death club, nigga.
Hello? Ma'am? Hello?
What up, man?
Nigga.
Yeah.
They don't know what's popping right now, man.
Facts.
Be afraid, man.
Facts.
I see you right now, you getting crazier, man. They say you getting weirder on these motherfuckers, man.
Yeah, nigga.
Let them know what time it is, man.
Y'all already know my nigga. I'ma handle that, bro.
Oh, money, money, curve out of dummies. Money faces on, I'm hungry for some hundreds. Give me a blitz, I'm still gon' run it. Quran flow, nigga, I'm plotting with the Muslims. The dum-dums, better watch, son. My AK will leave you with a short tongue. No time for peace, when that peace come. Hot lead dictate a nigga outcome. They say death comes ready. I went to bed with grenades and snow bunnies. What you wanna do? Beef tastes better when it's served in 2.
Shit, my nigga. Come with some pink wing boots. Sprinkle some motherfucking sparkle on that bad boy shit.
I think I'm a sauce on these niggas, bro.
Let them know that this nigga is not playing with you, man.
Hell nah, nigga.
2018, be very, very afraid.
Real talk, nigga.
That family coming for y'all next.
MF, nigga.
We'll go. All I know is dough. Freeze on my wrist, my flow was so cold. Never underestimate the choice of a chosen one, or else a no-go. My raps make your hood freeze. Your raps make your girl leave. I'm higher than I ever seen. So clear the hood, call me Claritine. My outcome the ball made me high like Malcolm's speech laws. Always play life really against the odds, cause I'ma be that nigga to end it all.
People gassing you to get nicer.